Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to create a checklist in Google Docs. So here I have a blank document in my Google Docs and I want to create a checklist in it. So what you need to do at the toolbar at the top, this row right here, you'll find the checklist options. This one right here, or you can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus 9, but I'm going to just click on this, and now the checkbox will be show up like this, and you can just start typing in your list in here. For example, and others. And if you want to check the box, you can just click on this, and now the lists have been checked like this. Okay, so I think that's pretty easy, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.